Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. Firstly, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Over here, select while using the app and tap on Allow. Then choose Home button and go into Settings. After that, you need to scroll down, select App Management, go into Default Apps, and finally Home app. To set up iOS Launcher, just click on it and click Got it. As you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my OPPO. You can always switch between them by going into the same default app settings, choosing System Launcher in order to go back into default one, and tapping on iOS to choose Apple. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!